So got the speaker up here. This is the Sunbright sound bar. And originally I was going to put some weather stripping across the bottom, kind of as a cushion, so you don't bump your head. So that worked okay if you're getting in from the back, because the foam was underneath here. But if you were going this way, there was this sharp corner here that I would hit my head on. And I tried putting the weather stripping along here, but it doesn't really stick well to this grill that's on here with the perforated metal. So what I found was some of this stuff, they call it roving. So it's like a foam padding, but it's got a right angle to it. With this stuff, you're supposed to cut a length of it that you need, and then you're supposed to leave it out for at least 24 hours so it kind of relaxes. It comes in a big coil, and when you first take it out, it wants to coil back up. And then you also have to apply the double stick tape to it. They give you a roll of double stick tape along with the roving. And I had to do some cutouts for my little angle brackets. So I'll peel off the backing on this side and then get it stuck up under the speaker, and then I should be able to reach in and pull off the backing and then get the front stuck. Okay, yeah, that went up pretty easy. Just like I said, I peeled the backing off of the bottom tape and then got it lined up with my angle bracket notches there so I could fit them in there. Got that in there, and then just peeled the backing tape off of the front, and boy, that's up there. You know, you can just, yeah, and it's thick, really thick, and the corners are nice and rounded. You know, so if you're going out, your head will hit here, and if you're coming in, it'll bump on that part. I might actually stick a piece in here, just for a little bit of cushioning there. I just couldn't get this to work with the flat weather stripping because the weather stripping just didn't stick to this. But yeah, there we go. I think my speakers are finally finished. Actually sound really nice. It's really good sound. The other thing is it doesn't take up any space. You know, the old speakers used to be right in there. I need that space for my house battery. And up here, it takes no room. It just sits up here at the top of the roll bar. It kind of reduces the headroom a little bit, but now with that padding on there, it should be good. Anyway, check out the video description with some links to the information on these. And as always, thanks for watching.